How to get over someone. Remember the cries, the many lonely cries, the cries of confusion, the cries of exhaustion. And remember that those who truly adore you wouldn't leave you questioning your worth in their lives. Remember, healing is not linear. It's messy, it's inconsistent. You'll feel on top of the world one day, back at the bottom of the hill another day. But all will be okay, because eventually, you'll get that feeling. The feeling of that hour, the one where all is warm, time stops for what feels like a blissful forever, and everything feels like it's going to be alright. And then you'll go on with your life. The birds will keep singing, the wind still screaming. Then one day, it'll scream at you. You'll be hit with a breath of fresh air that you didn't know you needed. Easy to inhale, comforting to exhale. Home in human form. Remember, you are the sun, the moon, and the stars. Warm, bright, full of light, filled with power. The power to love, the power to grow, the power to heal, the power to rebuild. Rebuild the broken gate to your heart, accessible, not easy, protected, not stingy. Remember the feeling of love and its power to heal. Love wholesomely, love unapologetically, love with all your heart. You will be okay. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.